electronics. All about electronics.
Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel Just Do Electronics. In this video I will show you how to make a GSM basis motor starting system. When I sending the text message to start and the GSM receive this message and your motor will be start. Please continue watch this video. I will explain each point. Sponsored by the Next PCB. You just go to the Google and type nextpcb.com and open the first link. When you open the first link, the Next PCB site is open. See, is the next PCB is the providing the very good quality of the PCB and is providing the different type of layer PCB. I mean the 2 layer, 4 layer. If you want to the any type of the layer, then is please visit this site and you upload your Gerber file in this site. When you upload your Gerber file, the all data comes in like this. And you saw the so many things. I mean you just change your PCB color, height, holes and all the things you change the very easily. All details is given in my video description, please. Okay, let's go and see the component, which component I use in this project. First I use the Arduino Nano microcontroller board. Second I use the relay 5V module, one channel relay 5V module. Third I use the GSM SIM 800 or SIM 900 module. Fourth I use the two LEDs. Fifth I use the 0 PCB. Okay, let's go and make this circuit diagram. I using the FitGiant software to making the circuit diagram. I arrange all the components one by one like Arduino Nano board, SIM 800 or you use 900 and one channel relay module and two LEDs, and I do the connection one by one. And the final circuit diagram I already uploaded in my website, and my website link in video description. If you want, then please check out. Okay, I'm making this all hardware. Okay, in this project I using the component. First is the GSM SIM 900A GSM module and this Arduino Nano board, and I using the one channel 5V relay module and two LEDs. This is the hardware, and I using the DC motor. This is the 12 volt 1000 RPM motor, and this is the 12 volt 3000 RPM motor, and I using the one another 300 RPM motor is the 12 volt 300 RPM motor. Okay, this is the total hardware of this project. Okay, let's go and see the working of this project. See, I just sending the text message. I just type this start message and I just sending the to the GSM module. When GSM module receive this message, see the green light indicate and your motor will be start. And I just type this stop message and I send it. GSM receive this message and your motor will be stop. The yellow light indicate your motor will be stop. I do this another I use the another motor is the 300 RPM. See, I just type this start message and I send it. GSM receive this message, the green light indicate your message will be received and your motor will be start. You control any motors. You just do the connection in radio side and you control any motor. I just type this stop message and I send it. When GSM receive this message, the yellow light indicate, see, yellow light indicate your motor will be stopped. I try to the another time. I just sending the start message. When receive this message, the DC motor is the running. I just type a stop message again and I send it. Do not put this any command, I mean the hash and start, not put any command. You just type this start and stop message. Okay, I do this another motor, I mean I use the another motor, is very high RPM motor, I mean around the 500 RPM motor. I do this connection. First I remove this 300 RPM motor connection and I do this connection is the 500 RPM motor connection. Okay. Connection will be done. Okay, I just remove this 300 RPM and I use the 500 RPM motor and I just sending the text message to the GSM module. I just type a start message, STA or T start, and I send it. When GSM receive this message, the green light indicate your message will be received. See, the DC motor is the rotating. This is the very really easy thing to control anything to anywhere. You just sending the text message. I just stop this message, then I just type this stop message and send it. See, the motor will be stopped in few seconds. When you receive this message, motor will be stopped. I just sending the start message again. See, the motor will be start. And I just sending the stop message again. Okay, I try to the very high speed motor is the around 800 RPM motor. Okay, I do this connection first I remove this 500 RPM motor connection and I do this 700 RPM motor connection. This is the very connection is complete. Okay, I just sending the text message to start, I mean the start message to the GSM module. When I sending the start message to GSM module, see, the green light indicate your message will be received and this motor is the running. See, the how much speed is the running with this motor. I just sending the stop message to stop this motor. I just type this stop message and I just send it to GSM module. I hope you like this project, and if you like this project, please hit the like button and share with your all the friends. If you new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.